Do you think you need a crowded gym, expensive equipment, or 2 free hours a day to lose belly fat? Most people aren't overweight because they lack equipment. They're like this because they gave up on themselves. And today, that ends. Because these 5 chair exercises will activate your abs and make your body burn fat. Exercise 1. Floating run-on chair. Start sitting on the edge of the chair, keep your spine straight, core tight, and now simulate a fast run while seated. Lift one knee at a time quickly, arms moving along like you're actually running. Don't rock your whole body. Your abs need to stabilize you. That's what starts deeply activating the belly area. Exercise 2. Diagonal reach on chair. Now the workout gets smarter. Sit on the chair, spread your feet slightly, reach your right hand toward the left side while lifting your leg at the same time, then alternate. This diagonal movement activates the side abdominal muscles, the muscles many people ignore, but the ones that make your waist look more defined. Exercise 3. Windmill on chair. Now let's test mobility, coordination, and endurance all at once. Extend your arms, keep your spine straight, and rotate your torso, bringing one hand toward the opposite foot. Return and switch sides. This exercise looks easy until you realize you're burning non-stop because it forces your core to stabilize the entire movement. Exercise 4. Sitting jump rope, knee tuck on chair. Imagine you're jumping rope while seated, arms rotating in the air, knees lifting together toward your chest. Fast pace, your heart rate spikes, breathing gets heavier, and the fat starts realizing it's no longer welcome. When the fatigue hits, that's exactly where the body changes. Most people quit when it starts burning. Exercise 5. Circle arms, knee raises on chair. Hold your arms out and make continuous circles while raising your knees alternately. Your shoulders burn, your abs tighten, your cardio rises. And this is where many people realize a truth. The body gives up long after the mind does. You can keep complaining about your belly, or you can look back later and thank yourself for not giving up today. The choice happens now. Grab a chair and train. If you want more brutal, simple, and effective workouts to burn fat and build a strong body at home, subscribe to the channel now, because the next video might be exactly the push you needed to change your physical and mental life.